Alright guys, so we're gonna jump straight into this TX22 firearms. Alright guys, you see what it is. I got the TX22 here. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and review and see what this TX22 is all about. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So obviously you got the Taurus box, comes as such. A little lifetime warranty. Immediately activate that. You got a little NRA bullet pen. Look at, man, that's crazy. And then the TX22 instruction manual. All that good information on your firearm, what to do, how to load it, etc. 30. Oh wow, a little promo code. You want that promo? Laser 30. Get that Viridian red laser, $30 off, so 65. And a promo for the holster, $10 off. You can get it for a different price. So into the actual box itself, as you see here, you have the Taurus TX22, and I'll tell you right now, this gun feels a lot better than I thought it was gonna feel. Honestly, for the price that I paid, just shooting right under 300. I mean it's really nice. This apparently is the Gen 2. So the Gen 2, they upgraded a lot of different things on it, made it a lot better. They have some nice lightning cuts going on here. It's the T.O.R.O, so you pretty much go ahead and take out your mount bolts, and then slap your optics right on in. So I have a hollow sun that I'm gonna put in there. See. Oh yeah, it locks to the rear when the magazine's empty, because I do have a mag in. I believe this is a 15 rounder, if I'm not mistaken. They don't have any indicator on the back, as most 22s kind of don't. But yeah, I believe that's a 15 rounder. And then there's a 21 or 22 rounder. Yeah, 21 rounder, I believe it was. I gotta look at it again. But yeah, there's another one comes. It's a nice little grip there. Oh wow, that's actually really grippy. So let's see what that oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. I mean, my pinky doesn't even go all the way down really, but that's definitely nice. I'll tell you right now, the grips feel really good. Really good. It doesn't look like they're changeable back straps, but I could be wrong about that. But nah, honestly man, this gun feels really solid. It feels really good so far from what I'm seeing. Let's see. Yeah, that works really nice. Centered, straightforward, no real problem. Personally, I like to lube it up a little before I even shoot it or go to the range or anything. But yeah, that's the safety, thumb safeties. Go ahead and it works real nice. It's ambidextrous, so if you're a left-hand shooter, you could activate it same way. If you're a left-hand shooter, it's not ambidextrous on this side, but you technically could just use your pointing finger and press it. But you could always open it up, switch it and stuff. But yeah, honestly, this gun is feeling pretty nice. And then the last things in the box is a loader. So hope you load that 22 that Taurus gave with it. It's pretty nice actually. Just helps out putting in those rounds. So it's pretty nice. And then last but not least, a nice little gun lock. So put it through your barrel, whatnot, and you're pretty much good to go. Let's actually make sure the slide lock works on its own. Yep, it works on its own. Sends it forward, no problem. So let's look at the trigger on this. Okay, that's not the best trigger in the world, but it's not bad. Oh, that reset's pretty. The reset's pretty decent. Like honestly, the reset's pretty damn decent. Breakdown wise, no indicator. I should say that. No indicator or anything like that at the back to say, hey, you know, it's charged or anything like that. Nothing crazy. Again, it is the 22. They do have a lot of high value things on this gun that I won't lie. Obviously the barrel is already threaded, and so the barrel is on the outside. The previous model of the 22 was on the inside, and a lot of people complained and had issues with that. This is on the outside, and so the optics that comes with it is just plain at the back. I mean, the gun's pretty cheap, so you can't really complain. Can't get everything perfect, but it's plain at the back. Nice little sight there in the front. I mean, like I said, for the $300 price range, it's definitely doing pretty well. The thing that I'll say that I really like on this 22 is these serrated edges. I mean on this slide, these serrations are so well like milled. I mean, I could grab that even if I, you know, had sweaty hands or just hands covered in mud or dirt or something. I could definitely probably grab that like super easy. I'm really liking the serrations that's on there. It's a really nice touch. I mean, because sometimes to charge some guns, it's kind of a pain in the ass. So I mean, I'm personally going to modify this TX22. I got a couple things from Tandem Cross coming in, and when it comes in, I'll do some videos on the mods. So, but long story short, guys, it's the breakdown's pretty much just like any other pistol. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's gonna be pulling down the lever slide there, and we're pulling the trigger. That should be coming off just like that. So I mean, it's really simple to break apart, very straightforward. So now you have it, and I'm not gonna insult your intelligence. If you want a full video on how to field clean this or field strip and clean, I mean, we're pretty much like 80% of the way right here. But yeah, it's looking like that guide. It's looking like that guide might be. It's looking like that might be a plastic guide. It definitely feels plastic as well. Yeah, that's definitely looking like plastic. So I guess the guide is something else that you would, the guide rod is something else that you would want to update on this. But yeah, honestly, like I said, for the price range of 300, this is really nice. Putting it back together, guys, pretty much just as equally as simple to put it back together as it was to take it off. You just line it up a bit, push down, send it back. I mean, that's it. It's all good to go. I do a functions check real quick. So I mean, since it does have a safe, all right, so it doesn't shoot when on safe, shoots there, shoots, and then do a reset, works. So yeah, man, it's pretty good. I like I said, I like the gun a lot. I'm actually really happy with it. So yeah, check out the TX22. I'm also going to be making separate videos for all the mods that I'm doing to the TX22 from the mods that I'm buying from Tandem Cross. Great company. Their mods are really solid. I'm really liking it. It just came in, and that victory trigger is feeling nice, man. I can't wait to actually put it all on, see the difference in the trigger of the gun itself, and then actually get it on the range with all the mods on it. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Got more stuff dropping constantly, and I need to help a brother out special. I need you to subscribe, I need you to like, I need you to share and get this information out. Because remember, man, we tactical and we guardians, and we love the Second Amendment over here. So you either catching law or lead.